Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of Google Ads. With businesses spending significant budgets online, it's crucial to ensure every dollar you invest works hard for you. That's why we're here to share some top tips and tricks to help you maximize your ROI using Google Ads. First off, let's talk about understanding your audience. Knowing who you're targeting is half the battle won. Use Google's detailed targeting options to narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures your ads are seen by people most likely to convert, increasing your chances of a higher ROI. Now onto keyword selection. Choosing the right keywords is pivotal. Go for those with high intent but moderate to low competition. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can be a goldmine for uncovering these gems. Remember, more specific long-tail keywords often lead to higher conversion rates as they precisely match user queries. Crafting compelling ad copy is next. Your ads need to stand out and speak directly to your audience's pain points and desires. Include clear calls to action, benefits, and why your offering beats the competition. A/B testing different headlines and descriptions can reveal what resonates best with your audience, allowing you to refine your messaging for better results. Optimizing your landing pages is another critical step. Ensure the page your ad directs to is relevant, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. It should have a clear headline, persuasive copy, and a straightforward form or purchase path. Page speed also matters. Faster pages often lead to higher conversion rates. Let's not forget about utilizing ad extensions. These are a fantastic way to provide potential customers with more information and ways to interact with your ad without additional cost. Extensions like callouts, site links, and structured snippets can improve your ad's visibility and click-through rate, contributing to a better ROI. Monitoring and adjusting your campaigns is where the real magic happens. Use Google Ads Analytics to track your ad's performance closely. Look at metrics like click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. Don't shy away from tweaking your bids, adjusting your targeting, or even pausing underperforming keywords. Continuous optimization is key to getting the most out of your Google Ads investment. Lastly, exploring advanced strategies like remarketing can significantly boost your ROI. By targeting users who have already visited your website but didn't convert, you're reaching out to an audience that's already familiar with your brand, increasing the likelihood of conversion. In summary, maximizing your ROI with Google Ads isn't just about spending more, it's about spending smarter. By understanding your audience, selecting the right keywords, crafting compelling ads, optimizing landing pages, utilizing ad extensions, continuously monitoring and adjusting your campaigns, and leveraging remarketing, you're setting yourself up for success. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more insights, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or experiences with Google Ads in the comments below. See you in the next video!